Okay, next is the air filter, which is here. New one is here. Pretty easy, just 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. The only thing when you try to pull it out, it will scratch the frame, so put some tape on it, and I'll try to maybe put a little bit of cardboard there and just slide it over it, but we'll see how it goes. So let's do it. Okay, so that's the cover, 3-ish. That goes inside the filter, and now you can see it here. If you try to just come out, it's just blocking now, and that's the bit where it's starting to scratch the frame. So I'm going to try that cardboard. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, looks the same length, same size, but this one's clean, that's the dirty one. Probably it's too dark to see it, but you need to trust me. Okay, so let's slide it in, try to do the same trick. Go in like that. Yeah, that's not the best thing on Triumph's side to make it that awkward. That was easy. But now you can see here on the tape how much it would be scratched if I didn't go in there. Okay, so that's going to be a bit of a... I'm going to see how that fits, if it needs to go further in or not, but you got the idea. So now it's just a matter of wiggling that bit inside the filter and just tightening the cover with the bolts. Easy. So I finally got my delivery from Triumph, so I got the brake switch and the gasket for the valve cover. So remember I was testing it in the first video, so that's the old one. So when I check for continuity, it's making the noise when it's not supposed to because it's off. And now the new one is not making the noise, so that should work. I'm gonna put it on the bike, bleed the brake, and then I'll have 100% confirmation, but looking good. Right, got the new gasket for the valve cover. I've cleaned the surface before, so that's ready to go. But I will definitely, my good old friend Victor Rines will be joining me because it's quite a big cover. The surface is quite big and it's only 4 bolts holding it, and the torque is only 10 Newton meters, which is quite normal for small M6 bolts. But I think how it's made, I think it would just start leaking after a while. So I'm not even gonna hesitate. I just don't want to do it twice. So Victor Rines. I would definitely put a little bit on the gasket because it has that lip that goes inside that groove, and a little bit all over the surface. I'm gonna show you later when it's applied. It just takes long, so it's gonna be boring to watch me doing that, but I'm just gonna show you how much of it I put on, which is basically just making it black with silicone. I don't want to put like a thick layer, so that would be like flaking off. So I just make it nice and sealed. And also, you won't be able to see it, but this paint all over the engine is quite weird, and you see it's kind of flaking some bits, and there's some of it inside that groove too. So I will definitely put a bit of silicone there just to make sure that it's all sealing nicely. So yeah, let's get to it. So that's all it needs, is just a little smear of silicone on that groove on the gasket. And now just gonna place it nicely. Also, the silicone will help keep it in place when you putting it on top of the engine. Right. I've cleaned that groove with brake cleaner before, so it's nice and dry. There's no old oil in it, so the silicone can do its job properly. Okay, that's it's great. Now, of course, there's a little bit of excess of silicone here and there. Now is the time to wipe it, get rid of it. It's hardly anything, I didn't use too much. Okay, so I can let that sit and do the engine side. Okay, so that's just a very thin layer of silicone around it, so now it's ready to take on the gasket. The cover, put the bolts in, torque it evenly to 10 Newton meters, and done. Evenly, step by step, so you make sure that the cover is going down evenly on 4 corners. Click, click, click. Click. Check again. Done. You see that here. don't have any silicone coming out even because it was so little just to seal it nicely. So yeah, the engine's come a long way all together, looking nice. So now we can throw these bits back on, put the oil in. Probably I'll wait with starting it tomorrow to let the silicone do its job, just to be sure. And yeah, let's keep going. So the Triumph is officially finished. All nice and clean. New tires, nice and shiny. Engine looks clean. No oil leaks. That leak here is sorted too. All nice and dry. New chain. Everything works. Brake light. Main switch works. Front one too. All done.